โลฉลองឆ្នាំអត់តាន់ផុតទេថ្ងៃហ្នឹងមកញ៉ាំទៀតហើយថ្ងៃហ្នឹងមកញ៉ាំនៅ Korean barbecue ថ្ងៃនេះសូមពាក់មួកខ្មែរ Cambodia
I can't see because my own privacy. See? Look at someone look at him. Try to look at him. He's not even a viewer. He's a take for the
He was just constantly depressed.
Shit. That's how I do it. Hi guys, this is what we're gonna eat. New Year never end. Just beginning. Cooking! It's cooking! It's cooking! It's cooking! It's cooking! It's cooking! It's cooking.
Dada, what I like to do is I order like sliced.
This song is like erotica.
I hear this like a lot on TikTok and about.
Fine.
Brings back, brings me back.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have that.
Risky days. Careful, they are hot.
Right. Where'd you guys go? Mr. Pig? Honey Pig. Oh, Honey Pig. Yeah. That's my favorite spot, actually.
Yeah, bang on.
Meat market that just opened right next to the
សងឆ្នាំអត់តាន់ផុតទេណាអាមេរិក
Meat market?
ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកញ៉ាំនៅហូប Korean barbecue សាច់
maybe or
អាំង
time.
វាប្រេ
So look how much
ហើយក៏
drive it here.
ទូទៅបងប្អូនសុខសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នាដូចគ្នាហើយជំរាបលាវីដេអូមានតែប៉ុណ្ណឹងអូខេអរគុណដែលបានមើលជំរាបលារបស់គ្នាបងប្អូនសុខសប្បាយទូទៅសុខភាពល្អចំណងចំណើនហេហេទាំងអស់គ្នាចាជំរាបលាបងប្អូន